Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. I am out here in New York City and I have a special unboxing for you today. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Fold. Samsung's first foldable phone and my first foldable phone I'm going to be unboxing for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let me take this plastic cover off. And now we see that the box is actually separated in two halves, just like it's kind of unfolding like the phone. And let's go ahead and open this up. Oh man, that is cool. So the box actually lifts up. Look at that. All right, so let me go ahead and get the main box out, and I don't think there's anything else in there. Nope. So go ahead and close this. I'm definitely going to be keeping that box. All right, so this is the main box, and let's go ahead and see how we get into here. Oh, I think it just slides out from the bottom. All right, it's a lot of boxes in this box. So let's see how we take this out. Okay, yeah, slides up like that. All right, and now I think we're actually at the main box here. So this is going to lift off, and then boom, there we have it. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Fold already unfolded for you as you unbox it. So let me take this out and set it to the side, and let's go and see what else is inside of this box. All right, so there's nothing in there, and we're gonna have a bunch of little documents and things like that, I'm assuming, in here. Oh, actually, we have the case. So it's nice that Samsung has included a case in here to protect this very expensive phone. And you can see it's cut in two halves there, and you just place it on each side. And I'll show you how that looks in a second. But let's get to the rest of the box. We have the wall charger here. This is going to be a fast charger. And then also you have a little tool here to be able to hook it up to a USB to be able to sync over your information with another device. And inside of this box, we're going to have the cables, USB-C cable. All right, so yeah, inside of here we also have some things for the Galaxy Buds, because that is the last thing I'm going to show you inside of this box, is that Samsung does also throw in a free pair of Galaxy Buds with this phone. So yeah, so if you don't already have these, you will now get a pair of these inside with your new Galaxy Fold phone. So it doesn't make that price seem that bad anymore, right? I'm lying, but yeah, it is a nice thing to have instead of just having your regular wired buds. But because the Fold does not have a headphone jack, these are going to be crucial. All right, so now let's get to the star of the show. This is the new Galaxy Fold, and sorry about the lighting, but I'm in an Airbnb. I don't have the best lighting, but let's go ahead and get this plastic off of here. My favorite part of any unboxing is getting it naked and undressed, and boom, there you go. So this is the back of the phone, as you see. This is going to be a display. Let's flip it over to the front, and you can see that there is a little crease there, and this is where the display folds up like so. And so this is something that I've seen on other foldable displays or foldable phones, and so it's something that when you do have the screen on, you can see it a little bit, but it's not distracting. It's kind of like, this is going to be the new notch for foldable devices, you know, whether or not you can see the fold. But when the screen is on, I don't really notice it, because I was able to get hands on with this a little bit earlier today. That's why I'm talking about that. But yeah, this is how it works when you fold it like so. You can see it's going to be skinnier than most cell phones that are out right now. But then when you open it up, I mean, it just changes up that world of possibilities with this full display. And so doing a quick tour around the device, on the bottom you'll find the USB-C port and also one of these speakers. At the top you'll find the other speaker, and on the right hand side you will find the volume controls. Below that you'll find the power button, and below that you'll find the fingerprint scanner, which makes it very easy to be able to unlock this phone just using your thumb. All right, so let's go to get this booted up for the first time. There we go. All right, so I'm not going to bore you with the setup process. I'm going to go ahead and skip through that. All right, so I have the setup process complete, and as you can see, this 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display is really nice. Like, I don't have the brightness up, of course, just for recording this video, but I can tell you at full brightness, it does, you know, give me that same type of feel that you get with using the Galaxy S10 Plus's display. So it's just one of the best displays out right now. And so when you do fold it up, you have a 4.6-inch display on the front to be able to use this phone more like a traditional smartphone. So this is going to be skinnier than most of the top smartphones out right now, but I probably find myself wanting to use this opened up most of the time. But anyway, I'm going to test how that is to use that smaller display on the front. All right, so let's go ahead and see how the case looks on this. So again, the case is separated into two separate pieces, so you can actually just close the phone up and then place the front case on like so, and then flip it over on the back, and then you can place the back case on. It'll snap into place. So on the front, your display is going to be protected as much as possible. The case does raise up a little bit more above the display, so I mean that may slightly help if you do drop it on the front. But then on the back, your camera modules are still exposed, and it also has a little fold icon there, which is a nice little touch. And then when you open it up, you still have, it still feels like you still have that full display. Like the case doesn't, make itself too known. It's still going to be having some edge protection there, but for the most part, I like the way the case feels. And I think for a phone that costs as much, I'm going to be using it with the case on it probably 9 times out of 10. And I'm not going to make this my first impressions video, but I just want to kind of tell you that, it feels really sturdy. Samsung spent a lot of time working on the design, especially the hinge, to make sure when you are opening and closing it, that's going to be something that should be able to last you about 200,000 times that you open and close it. So I'll talk more about that in another video, but this has just been my unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Fold. Make sure you do subscribe to me here on YouTube and follow me on all my different social media networks as I will be covering all the things going on with this new device definitely over the next few days. So like always, thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace. Should close it and end it, right?